Hey guys, welcome back. Johnny here. In today's video, I wanted to talk to you about 5 stocks that you should own when first starting out trading stocks. So, let's get into the video. The first stock on the list is Visa. Now, Visa, or ticker symbol V, is a great company to get involved with long term because it has a nice PE ratio of 31%. It has an EPS, or earnings per share, of $1.21. It has a dividend of 0.55%. And in 5 years, it has grown 147%, guys. Now that is an amazing increase in 5 years. Now, stock number 2 that we're going to be talking about is JP Morgan and Chase, or ticker symbol JPM. Now, this is a great company to also get involved with a 12 PE ratio, a 2% dividend yield, an EPS of $2.34, and a growth of 90% in 5 years. Now, number 3 on the list would be Johnson & Johnson, or J&J. Now, this is also a great company to get involved with. They have a little bit of a higher PE ratio, showing around 258. That could be inaccurate. Sometimes Robinhood doesn't have the best statistics. But they do have a dividend yield of 2.3% with an EPS, or earnings per share, of $2.10. They have also have an amazing growth of 60% in the last 5 years. Fourth on the list is going to be Apple, or AAPL, which is a ticker symbol. They're sitting at 13 for a PE ratio right now, dividend yield of 1.2%, and an EPS, or earnings per share, of $2.75. Now, this company has also grown 117% in the last 5 years. Now, number 5 on the list is Berkshire Hathaway, or ticker symbol BRK.B. This is also a great stock to get involved with. They have an 8 as a PE ratio. They don't pay a dividend, but they have an amazing growth. Their EPS is $2.36, and because of that, they have a 72% growth in the last 5 years. Guys, a total combination of these stocks would put you at around $720 right now to own one share in all 5 of these companies. Now, this is great companies to get involved with, guys. They are very, I believe, recession-proof in a way. Visa is not going anywhere. JPM is not going anywhere. Johnson & Johnson isn't going anywhere. Apple, Berkshire Hathaway, they're not going anywhere, guys. These are companies that are strong, that have showed strong growth, and have strong earnings, low PE ratios, and 4 out of 5 pay some kind of dividend. Now, the 5th one does not pay a dividend, but it's still, they put all their money back into the company and buy more shares and stocks of companies, and it's able to grow very strong. So, hope you guys enjoyed this quick little video. If you did, smash the like button, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click the little bell so you don't miss my next videos. Alright, have a great day.